In this video, we listed the 5 best mechanical watch on Aliexpress that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Number 1. Olevs Mechanical Watch. The Olevs Mechanical Watch for Men offers a blend of style, functionality, and quality craftsmanship. With its skeleton starry sky moon phase design, luminous features, and waterproof stainless steel construction, this automatic watch exudes elegance and durability. The watch boasts a variety of impressive properties, including shock resistance, a folding clasp with safety, and a round case shape. The band material is stainless steel, and the dial window material is Hardlex, ensuring both comfort and durability. Customers have praised the watch for its premium look and feel, with many expressing surprise at its affordability. Overall, the Olevs Mechanical Watch for Men is a standout timepiece that combines aesthetic appeal with reliable performance, making it a recommended choice for watch enthusiasts. Number 2. TB8208 Mechanical Watch. The Tsar Bomba Mechanical Watch for Men is a stylish and versatile timepiece designed for those who appreciate both fashion and functionality. With a round case shape, silicone band, and sapphire crystal dial window, this watch offers a blend of durability and elegance. The watch features luminous hands, water resistance up to 5 bars, and a buckle clasp for secure wearing. Boasting a case thickness of 16.8 mm and a dial diameter of 43.5 mm, this watch strikes the perfect balance between presence and comfort on the wrist. Whether for casual or business wear, the Tsar Bomba watch exudes luxury and sophistication, making it an ideal gift for birthdays, fathers, lovers, and friends. With its top brand status and 50 mm water resistance, this mechanical watch is a reliable and stylish accessory for any occasion. Number 3. PAGANI Mechanical Watch. The current automatic self-wind mechanical watch is a sophisticated timepiece that combines style and functionality seamlessly. Featuring a unique tonneau case shape and a silicone band, this watch offers a contemporary and comfortable wearing experience. The watch is equipped with Hardlex dial window material and boasts features such as shock resistance, luminous hands, water resistance up to 3 bar, and anti-magnetic properties, making it suitable for various occasions, from business meetings to casual outings. With a case thickness of 15 mm and a dial diameter of 43 mm, the watch strikes a perfect balance between elegance and presence on the wrist. The current watch, originating from mainland China, is a testament to high quality and precision, with an automatic self-winding movement powered by precise Japanese mechanics. Whether as a gift for anniversaries, weddings, parties, or birthdays, this watch is sure to impress with its blend of business, luxury, dress, and sporty styles. Offering both style and reliability, the current mechanical watch is a must-have accessory for watch enthusiasts looking for a versatile and high-quality timepiece. Number 4. TB8208 CF Mechanical Watch. The Tsar Bomba TB8208 CF automatic mechanical watch is a stunning timepiece that exudes elegance and sophistication. With a tonneau case shape and a carbon fiber bezel, this watch stands out for its unique design and high-quality craftsmanship. The watch features a sapphire crystal glass, Citizen Miyota 82S0 movement, and an FKM rubber strap, ensuring both durability and comfort. With water resistance up to 5 bars, 50 meters, and a 2-year warranty, this watch is not only stylish but also reliable. Whether it's for Christmas, Thanksgiving, Father's Day, Valentine's Day, or an anniversary, this watch makes a thoughtful and impressive gift for any occasion. Tsar Bomba pays meticulous attention to detail and design, ensuring that each timepiece meets international quality standards. The watch's hollow-out dial adds a touch of luxury and sophistication, making it a standout accessory for any man. With a focus on providing the best services and quality products, Tsar Bomba watches are designed to impress and captivate. Number 5. PAGANI 42mm Quartz Watch. The PAGANI Design PD 1738 is a luxurious and stylish quartz wristwatch with a tonneau case shape and a case thickness of 16 mm. It features a 27mm rubber strap with a buckle clasp for a secure fit and comfort. The watch is water-resistant up to 5 bars, 50 meters, and comes with features like luminous hands, auto-date, complete calendar, and is suitable for diving and swimming. The dial window is made of synthetic sapphire glass, providing durability and scratch resistance. With a dial diameter of 42 mm and a weight of 155 g, this watch is both functional and fashionable. The Pagani Design PD 1738 is available in various color options and is crafted with quality materials, including stainless steel for the case and a rubber strap. Originating from mainland China, this watch is certified with CE certification and powered by a Japan VH65 movement, ensuring precision and reliability.